We're going to look now at a completely web-based workflow for creating a 3D model, slicing the model, and sending the model to your printer. So this workflow does not require the use of a PC or a MacBook. You can complete the entire workflow using a Chromebook, or as I'm going to do in this case, an iPad. To begin, we first need to set up an account with Polar3D. So go to polar3d.com and tap Sign In. You can sign in with any of these accounts, and once you do, a Polar3D account will automatically be created for you. And the next time you come to Polar3D, you can just tap your login credentials, and you'll be taken into your account. Here you can see that I have 3 3D printers associated with this account, but 2 of them are marked as locked. And that's because Polar3D recently changed their terms of service to allow for only 1 free 3D printer. If we tap on pricing and individuals, you can see that for $0 a month, you can connect 1 3D printer for free. For $5 a month, you can connect unlimited number of printers. So there's that option, which is very reasonable, I think, if you have more than 1 printer. But for now, I only have the 1 printer. And I can go to my printers by tapping Make and then Printers. And you can see that I have just the 1 active printer. The next thing you need to do is to connect your printer to Polar Cloud, and that's what we'll look at in the next video.